something going on. But
A summoner has
oh,
disconnected.
damn it. To practice a lot. It's getting better though. My English used to be incredibly terrible, and now it's only terrible, so that's getting better. So I'm really wondering how the Azrael top is going to
30
work
seconds
out.
until minions
I do
spawn.
think it's definitely a viable option. He should be able to shut down Singed early game, and that's gonna be nice, but I'm not really sure that if Singed is able to sustain himself through lane, that it's gonna be safe for our Azrael. So that's going to be a bit of a challenge, and I'm also wondering a bit if he's not going to be focused down by Lee Sin